Hey YouTube! Afternoon to ya. Privet Zaporozhye. Look at this dirty beast. We're gonna be working on this today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's check it out. Alright, so here's what we're working on today. That housing. We're gonna take it apart, we're gonna gut it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it without cutting it up. I figured out a new way. Alright, once you got the 8 bolts out, there's 8 of them total. Alright. They're 5/16 or 8 millimeters, so pretty straightforward. Get your cap off, of course. Put your cap back on. You don't want anything going in that hole. And then we pull this aside. There is the crankcase vent filter. All right, and this just lifts right out. It's got 2 O-rings that hold it in place. See, it pops right out. So let me get that. All right, so these are the O-rings I was mentioning earlier that are held in on those 2 holes there. That's all that holds this in, okay? It's the cover that holds it in place. So once we get this part, now we're gonna pry this apart and see what's inside. All right, guys, I got a little overzealous with taking this all apart and I already gutted it. So basically what you're doing is popping off these ears. Here, let me put it over here. The wind's kind of a problem, so bear with me. Pop off the corners, lifts right out. You got these barb ends that go into a socket. That's all you got to do. It comes right apart. Gut that puppy out, snap it back together like so. Stick it back in there, put your 8 bolts back in. There you go. CCV filter is now gutted. You'll never get that service soon light or whatever it says. And let me get out of the wind here. So we're just going to reverse the process and put it back together. And the final reassembly. I know it looks the same. Okay, and that's it. The whole thing all in all took, I don't know, 30 minutes. And that's disassembly, scrape it out, reassembly. I used basically a wide screwdriver and a putty knife. Anything with an edge on it. You could use a punch, a chisel, or whatever, a flat punch, or anything like that. To scrape out that substrate filament, whatever it is inside that thing. And then you get rid of that service light that keeps popping up when you go full throttle or heavy load or what have you. Very straightforward stuff. The first of many mods to come on this truck in particular. So stay tuned. There's more to come for sure. Okay. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Feel free to leave me comments and so on. And then maybe suggest a topic. I don't know. It's a Cummins, so sky's the limit, right? So I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you.